Hi everyone, welcome to Next Day Solar. We're here in South London. We're fitting today 16 panels on 2 different pitch roofs and a total of 6.5 kilowatt hour. And we're also fitting a 6 kilowatt hour Solis inverter and a PylonTech battery of 4.8 kilowatt hour. You need to leave this type slack, so maybe you should stop there. So we just finished the main pitch roof, and as you can see here, we fitted the panels, some of them in landscape, some of them in portrait. All of that, the reason for that is we wanted to have the most panels on this roof, so we could we couldn't fit directly some portrait, all of them, so we managed to get them in landscape, some of them. And that's why you see that last panel on the corner on the right side is actually to maximize as much panels we can get over here. So we started the string from this panel, went all the way to the last panel here and on landscape, and then we went straight to the one on the roof which is on landscape, and then came down on the portrait ones and ended up here with this panel. So this is our first string, and on the lower level we have our second string. So right now we're trying to connect the string on the lower level pitch roof, and we're going to do an S shape, and we're going to start with the left side portrait panel and end on the right side portrait panel, going through the middle panels which are on landscape. Up here in the loft of the property we have 6 kilowatt inverter. Solis 6 kilowatt inverter, and we have a PylonTech 4.8 kilowatt battery, and it's a low voltage battery and it's stackable, so it's easy to get another battery and just fit it up here. So at the moment it's gone quite dark, so the system is generating 0 kilowatt, but it's using from the battery 570 watt, and the house actually needs at the moment that load. As you can see, there's not much daylight in the winter, so we just finished this job. Everything is working fine. The 2 strings are working fine. This customer is a happy customer, so if you have any query or any question about this kind of job, please contact us at hello@nextdaysolar.co.uk. Thank you very much and goodbye.